This maintenance-free heavy-duty air compressor rated at 200 PSI is designed for use with any high-pressure onboard air system, or other applications that require an air pressure supply. Designed to work with air tanks up to 5 gallons. Unit comes with a standard 3/8 of an inch stainless steel braided hose with 3/8 of an inch NPT inline check valve, air filter with remote installation kit that allows for relocation of the compressor's intake to a place free of dust and debris, fuse and mounting hardware. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.